Hey, this is Kieran. In this video, we're going to do some hair masking. I'm just going to open up a raw image of a fantastic animator by the name of Kitty. Starting off in camera raw, looking at this hair detail around the neck and across the top of her head to mask out. It's going to white balance. That's pretty straightforward. We can see too when we're in the histogram here that we've got a fair bit of room to expand the tonal range, so I'm just going to lift the exposure on this image by half a stop to just get that background as as light as possible, as that's going to form the basis of my my mask. Okay, it looks pretty good overall. I'm ready to just open that up in Photoshop, and there it goes.